أهلا وسهلا فيكم في الدرس التاسع or the ninth lesson Madinah Books. In this lesson we will mainly study the concept of the Na'at and Man'ut. So Na'at is the adjective and Man'ut is the noun. So Man'ut when the Nat and Man'ut follow they follow similar grammatical rules since it's an adjective. So for example, if we want to say a new house, like in the given example, we'll say Baytun Jadidun. So notice that both have the tanween in the end. Notice that both have both have tanween in the end, and if there was no tanween and there was an al in one ism, then it means there is an invisible is. For example, al baytu jadidun, the house is new. But in this scenario, it is baytun jadidun, which means a new house. And of course, it does not mean a house. Since both words are connected, we are going to translate it to as a new house. And if it was, let's say, the new house, we would say al baytul jadidu. Since it's a nat and man'ud, there's a connection between noun and adjective, hence al baytul jadidu. We have discussed this concept in previous lessons. So on to the dialogue. Man hadha rajulu? Who is this man? Huwa Abbasun. Abbasun tajirun. Abbas is a trader. Abbasun tajirun ghaniyun. Abbas is a wealthy trader. Hamidun mudarrisun. Hamid Hamidun mudarrisun. Hamid is a teacher. Hamidun mudarrisun jadidun. Hamid is a new teacher. So you guys might be wondering why is there an is between Hamid and mudarris, because Hamid is the name and all names have the mean until unless generally the default case is that male names have the mean. That's why Hamidun mudarrisun jadidun. ما هذا؟ هذا تفاح. تفاح. التفاح فاكهة لذيذة. So the apple is a delicious fruit. It's a delicious لذيذة يعني delicious, and فاكهة is fruit. Since فاكهة has the ta marbuta, hence لذيذ also has a ta marbuta. التفاح فاكهة لذيذة. هذا تفاح يعني this is an apple. ما ذلك؟ ذلك عصفور. ذلك عصفور. عصفور is basic. We can translate it to a sparrow, and it's even defined in the next sentence. العصفور طائر صغير. العصفور, the sparrow is a small bird. طائر صغير, the نعت is صغير, and طائر and طائر is منعوت صغير. العربية لغة سهلة. The Arabic language, or we can translate it to it as the Arabic language. العربية لغة سهلة. العربية the Arabic language is an easy language. العربية لغة جميلة. The Arabic language is a beautiful language. All of these examples are examples of an art in man'ut or noun adjective. عمار طالب مجتهد. Ammar is a hardworking student. ومحمود طالب كسلان. So now this is a form of an adjective, and whenever this form comes, it will never have a tanween. Kaslan, ghadban, atshan. Kaslan means lazy. Kaslanu means lazy. Atshanu means thirsty. Ghadbanu means angry. So whenever the adjective is of this form, it will never take the tanween. Man anta? Who are you? Ana talibun. Anta talibun jadidun? Are you a new student? Naam, ana talibun jadidun. Yes, I am a new student. So that's it for the first part of the ninth lesson. The rest of the tamarin contain new vocabulary and of course building on this concept with practice examples. So you should practice it. ضع في المكان الخالي في الجمل الآتية منعوت مناسبة. So you have to put مناسب or suitable منعوت or adjective in the following. العربية لغة سهلة, or أنا يعني you can put any يعني I'm sorry, منعوت means noun, so you can put any noun you want. العربية لغة سهلة. أنا any word you want. هذا مكتب مكسور. عمار تاجر غني, or anything. Ikra, kaslan. So these are the examples of the verb of the adjective form that we discussed that does not have a tanween. Kaslanu, jaw'anu, atshanu, ghadbanu, mal'anu. Mal'anu, sorry, no, mal'anu. Mal'anu means full. Qadban means angry. Atshan means thirsty. Jaw'an means hungry. Kaslan means lazy. So the second part of the lesson we are going to say two things. One is the Ism al-Mawsul. Also, I don't know the exact translation in English, but let's just use Arabic grammatical terms. Ism al-Mawsul, also known as Al-Ladhi. So Al-Ladhi means Al-Ladhi can be translated to as the which or who, but it's not for questioning. It's like this which and who is the which and who just in between of the sentence. We will do some examples and then you guys will understand it further. أين المدرس I'm looking for the example for الذي نعم ومن الولد ومن الولد الصغير الذي خرج الآن من الفصل and who is the small child ومن and since we read it together ومن الولد الصغير الذي خرج الآن من الفصل من يعني who الولد الصغير since it's نعت الصغير منعوت is ولد الولد الصغير the small child so here we are going to translate it to as الذي who who is the small child which who or it could be translated as which who or which خرج went out and this is the male past tense form الآن الآن means right now من الفصل من الفصل classroom from the class هو ابن المدير الجديد هو ابن المدير الجديد he is the son of the new headmaster so now that's basically it for the second part and there's the new word we're going to study عند means with so we can look at an example containing the word عند so عند means with and الطالب عند المدير the student is with the headmaster and the end makes the next word any majroor so it will have a kasra kasratain depending on the word so الطالب عند المدير I hope you enjoyed the lesson مع السلامة